Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2022 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice agate black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.7-liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the Sport Appearance package. Taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera with a tonneau cover. We do get gripped running boards with blind spot detection, turn light and spotlight indicator mirrors with remote start. We also do get recovery hooks, license plate bracket, block heater, and that nice Ford Grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior, plenty of door space, carpeted interior with cup holders, more storage, rear vents, 12 volt USB and USB-C, 120 volt, and of course you can lift up the seats for a nice split folding rear bench seat, which is perfect for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a manual or powered driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, spotlights, tailgate, lights, parking brake, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 58,593 kilometers. We get this nice leather-up steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking here, we got a digital speedometer. We got your main menu, which has my view, trip and field, truck info, towing, phone, audio, and other settings. To my right here, we got our gear select that is adjustable and will collapse. More storage here, cup holders, storage, USB and USB-C. It will go back up as well. Got your center console with more storage as well. Dry modes, four-wheel drive, trailer brake, pro trailer assist with heated front seats and dual climate, 12 volt, 120, storage above, below, on the dash, and we get this lovely powered rear window opener. Looking here, we do get our media controls. You got your little backup camera as well, hazards and traction. Looking at our audio here, you do get AM, FM, and Bluetooth. We got our phone controls here. Your fave apps will be found here as well, such as your messaging, zone lighting, email, Wi-Fi. Any apps you may download will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You got your settings, Amazon Alexa, software updates, all that jazz, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B8135, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.